What's up, guys? Pop and Sons Pops here today, doing another unboxing. It's a big, exciting one today, right? Why?
Yeah, because it's fan mail.
We got fan mail today.
Our first fan mail.
It's our first fan mail. Are you excited?
Yes!
How excited are you?
Super!
Why are you so excited? It's morning. How much sugar have you had today?
10 million.
10 million. You haven't had sugar. You just had breakfast. So we're kind of excited today. We got our first fan mail mystery box.
Mine.
Okay. Yeah, it's all. I think this is all about you today because why? Because I think you're a lot cuter than I am. I think they sent it to you. Okay? But it's all right. I'm cute. Why am I cute?
Because you're daddy.
Because I'm daddy. Why are you so cute?
Because I'm Aiden.
Because you're Aiden. Okay. And you're handsome why? Because you look like daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Good answer. All right, guys. So are you ready to open this and check it out, see what's inside? Of course you are. You got the scissors already. Be careful.
I was trying to do it while you were saying.
All right. So let's help you out here. Oh, you see, you're learning. Cut away from yourself. There's a lot of tape on this one. I might need to help you out. They taped this. Whoever the fan sent this one, they taped it up really well.
I did it.
You did it. Good. You're excited. You're using the wrong part of this. There you go. Cut it open. Cut it open. Careful. Let's help you out.
Oh, wait. Because the side.
Oh, because the side. Get it. Get that side. Don't cut me. Have 911 ready just in case he stabs me, please. Got it?
Yeah.
Use those muscles. I can't even use these muscles. There you go. Get that side. Get that side. Get that side. Muscles, muscles, muscles. You got your muscle shirt on. Come on. I think you might. Yeah, you need to cut it. Muscles aren't working. Today. There you go.
Oh, the other side.
Cut the other side. All right. Close your eyes. Open. Oh, there's something on top first. What's it say?
Captain America's on the back.
You got to read it.
I don't know what it says.
So read it. You've been good at reading.
Hey, Pop and Son Pops. I have been watching your mystery unboxing video, and I really like them. I thought I would send you one I made myself. I hope you like it. Keep up the good work. And always be
Sure
to
use
your
safety
scissors.
Your friend Captanne America. That's who this is from. This is from a fan of ours, Captanne America. Awesome. Very nice of you, Captanne. Oh, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Unwrap it. What do you think it is?
Puss in Boots.
Puss in Boots. Whoa, hold on a second.
I never...
Look how awesome that is.
And there's Donkey and Shrek on the back.
That is so cool. We didn't even know they made a Puss in Boots, right? Puss in Boots is awesome.
An old one.
Yeah, that looks like an old one.
Puss in Boots. Wait.
I
Close your eyes.
My eyes.
Okay.
Combat Carl Jr.
Combat Carl Jr. I'm Combat Carl. Wait. He's from Toy Story 4. He was also in what?
Toy Story of Terror.
Toy Story Tower of Terror. Was it Tower of Terror?
No.
Terror.
Terror?
Yeah.
Toy Story of Terror. Wait. I know you're excited. How excited are you? Super excited.
Oh, he looks cool.
Wait. Camera person's showing off Combat Carl. Combat Carl.
Did you show Puss in Boots?
Yep. All right, closing your eyes.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Chicken Deadpool!
No, Deadpool the duck.
Oh, I thought it was Chicken Deadpool.
That's Daffy Duck meets Deadpool. I love Deadpool. I love Deadpool the duck. I have Deadpool the duck. That means this one's all
Me.
That's all you. There's nothing like a duck with swords. Gotta love a duck with swords.
I think it's another Toy Story. I don't know.
This is an awesome box so far, by the way. Captanne. Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
How ready are you? This is the last one.
Yeah.
You're super excited?
Yeah.
All right.
Buzz!
Buzz Lightyear to the rescue.
Because you were holding on it and it kind of got
No, he's all right. He's good.
on the top.
No, he's... Oh, you're hugging Buzz? I think Buzz might be your favorite. Out of all of them, what's your favorite? Let me see Buzz. Buzz
All
Lightyear's
them.
cool.
Of them.
Let's see
That's
Buzz.
another Toy Story 4 one.
And bubble wrap.
And bubble wrap. Best part about the packaging, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
You gotta love the bubble wrap.
Lou, come on.
It's like mini fireworks.
Who's coming? Lou, you're coming.
Okay. So what do we say to Captanne?
Thank you, Captain.
Say you're the best?
You're
And
the
oh
best.
wait, we got somebody bubble wrap. Apparently is a big hit because we got somebody else joining us just for bubble wrap. Luke, come on in. Pop away, pop away, pop. Wait, I'm getting in on it. Oh wait a minute. There's one more thing in here.
Hmm?
Close your eyes. We didn't even see that.
Whoa! A Buzz pen. And a Spider-Man pen. A Spider-Man pen.
Cool. Pens for school.
Yay!
Boom, 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 boom. Spider-Man, fighting Buzz, fighting Buzz, fighting Buzz. Stealth suit Spider-Man versus Buzz Lightyear to the rescue. What else you got?
It's a mini
Bonk.
pop.
Yeah, it's a mini pocket. Spider-Man!
With Stealth suit Spider-Man?
Yeah.
I
That's
might have
cool.
to hijack that one. No, it's all yours.
Yeah. Oh, this,
You're the cute one, not me.
this is for me. I'm opening. I'm opening.
Passing it over. Show the camera.
There. Stealth suit Spider-Man.
Stealth suit Spider-Man.
Cool.
Aiden, get up and close. What do you say to Captanne?
Thank you, Captain.
And say keep watching.
Keep watching our videos.
Everybody else, keep watching. Like,
Press the
subscribe. Next, we got another mystery box we just got from M3 Toys that we're going to be doing an opening of probably tomorrow. Also, a big
next
announcement with that one, right?
Yeah.
What's the big announcement? We can't say it because it's a big announcement for tomorrow.
Oh.
Right? You excited?
Yeah.
What do you think? So that's a big mystery box. I don't know what's in it. I don't know if I should be nervous or
Show
excited.
it.
No, we'll do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
But we'll save it for next time. So keep watching.
I have 2 other ones.
You gotta get in the camera if you want people to see it. You want them to see your cute little face.
I have 2 other ones. The cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's. I have the cupcake from Five Nights at Freddy's and Wolverine.
So those will go with your other pencil collection, right?
Yeah, but I don't know where they are.
We'll find them. Trust me. We'll find them in your plethora of toys. So again, guys,
Our
thank you
rooms are
so
a
much
mess.
to Captanne. You're the best.
They're gonna fight.
Keep watching. Click like. Click subscribe.
With
Poppin' Sons Pops.
Buzz.
Peace out.
With Buzz and Spider-Man. Yay! I love this video.